JASSWAY is a global leading provider and manufacturer of touch POS system, located in Shenzhen, China. We offer a wide range of POS terminals, touchscreen monitors, peripherals, and kiosks for hospitality and retail industries. By focusing on the innovative POS system and customized hardware solution for ODM customers, we have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We have achieved a worldwide sales channels with 60 countries and areas with satisfaction and best-in-class products with our partners. To be close to our distributors, JASSWAY Europe is operating in Spain with an official branch. We have an inventory center in Spain, fast deliveries as well as direct technical service center. Commercial and technical team is here to support our partners in Europe. All our products are past the CE, RoHS testing, equipped with QA test, laboratory, burn-in test room, and strict inspection processes for all products. We strive to supply quality products and to give top priority to customers' trust. We can produce at least 8,000 pieces POS system per month. Honesty, responsibility, gratitude is JASSWAY's corporate core value, stressing that the enterprise must be honest in business and long-term cooperation, should be responsible for customers and worker staff, has to be grateful to the society. JASSWAY's core value is the basis of its survival and development.